Start your day with simplicity. Designed for convenience with a generous 1.8-liter capacity, this electric kettle makes boiling water easy. With 1,500 watts of power, enjoy rapid heating in just minutes. Built with premium stainless steel and advanced safety features, including auto shut-off, overheat protection, and an anti-dry design, it's made for peace of mind. The 360-degree cordless base and clear water level indicator make pouring effortless from any angle. Reliable, safe, and designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Grade your kitchen today. Shop now at shopbrightark.com.